Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to all my friends and good evening to Mrs. Novita Kusumaningtyas as a lecturer in English. My name is Nurfandila. I'm from accounting class Tekom University of Ungaran. At here, I would like to explain about accurate application and how to use accurate application. Accurate application is an application to make accounting report in which there are already accounts that are commonly used to make financial report, so that we will only input data. Okay, the first step, make sure you already have installed the Accurate application on your PC. And after that, double click to open application.
If you want make new report, you can choose new. But if you have already data in your PC, you can select open. No, I will make new report, so I choose new and choose where I will save the data. I will select local this day and the name is PT Subur Makmur May 21 and then create or OK. To come in application, you have to fill the password. The password is supervisor and then click OK or press enter. The first step, select language to be used. You can choose English or Indonesian. And here I choose Indonesian. And then next. After that, select and standard application. After that, create the desired company data. Company name, telephone number, address, and closing of the report that are mandatory. Usually, fill the 30th of each month, and then select the currency according to the country. And select next. For step 2 until 4, just select next. At the step 5, select the average inventory method. Then select next. Step 6 and 7, you can select next. If step 1 until 7 have been filled, and then press finish. The account have ready preparation by Accurate application. Finish filled a company data. You only need to adjust the account and input financial report data. If you want to change account, you can select the list and after that select the account to be replaced, delete or adjust. If you want to make a supplier, you can select list and then supplier. I will give two example of supplier to PT Subur Makmur. And if you want to make a new customer, you can select list and then customer. And here I will give you two sample customer for PT Subur Makmur. Actually, there is more than supplier and custom. You can make a good transaction and any more about accounting report. But On this occasion, I just to explain about basic of accurate. Don't forget to back up the data if you want to ending the report. Don't forget to learn more. I think enough for my explanation regarding accurate application.
So many tutorial from me, hopefully useful, and there are mistake, I apologize. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.